everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about the product packaging in Odoo sales. So Odoo's robust inventory management system allows you to define and manage product packaging, which enhances your sales process and improve inventory accuracy. So you can just configure and utilize the product package in Odoo sales. For that, you just need to dive into the configuration settings of sales module. So you can just dive into the module from there. You can just head into the configuration settings where you can see the product catalog section and need to enable the product packaging. This would allow you to sell products by multiple of unit. So once you have done with this, what you have to do is that we can save the changes that have made, and let's move on to the products and choose the product over here. I'm going to choose the product which is notebook. So here you can see the product name, and it comes under product type as goods, and we are just going to track it based on quantity. So as you just enable this track inventory by quantity, you will be getting this field, that is you can track the on-hand quantity in your stock. So you can also set the sales price of the book. I'm going to set the sales price of the book as $10. And as you just move on to the inventory tab here, as you just drag down here, you can see that we have a field called packaging, as we have enabled the product packaging from the configuration settings. So here you would be able to find different packaging, like we can sell the pack of 12. So it will have 12 notebooks. If it's pack of 6, it will contain 6 quantity. And if it's pack of 10, then it will have 10 notebooks. And if we are using pack of 5, then it will only have 5 quantity of notebook. Okay, so if a customer try to buy this, you can see we can find how it's selling over here. So actually packaging is mainly used to make the individual items in a bundle and to uh, reduce the complexity by managing the individual items. Okay, so here you can just fill out the details of the customer, that is the Azure interior. Afterwards you can set the expiry date and the quotation date. Everything is automatically configured over here. Now, this quotation date, the expiration date will be automatically configured upon the terms of payment terms. And afterwards, you can just choose the product. So I'm going to choose the product notebook over here. And here you can see we have just set one quantity. So if I'm setting it as one quantity, you can see the packaging or is not just configured over here. So here you would be able to find the packaging quantity and the packaging. Okay, so I'm going to set it as just 5 over here. So as I just set it as 5 over here, you can see that here one packaging quantity is 1. So if we are just taking one packaging quantity, uh, which means that it will have 5 quantity in it. So here you can see that. Now let me set it as uh, 100. So let's see what is going to change. So here you can see currently we have taken packaging quantity 10. So each package has 10 quantity, and when it's multiplied like 10 into 10, you will get 100 quantity over here. Now let's change it as 6 quantity. So as you change the quantities over here, you can see if we have a package upon the quantity that we are updating over here, that will be automatically configured over here. Okay, so you can see everything. Afterwards, you can just confirm this order, and you can just make the delivery of the item to the customer by moving on to the delivery smart tab. And here you can see we are just going to deliver a quantity of 6 notebook, which means a pack of 6. Okay, and if you just need to deliver the item, you can just click on validate, so that upon the confirmation of the SMS, we can just deliver the item to the customer. So that's how we just manage with the product packaging in Odoo 18 sales module. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.